Hey everyone! If your Galaxy S25 Ultra battery drains too fast, don't worry. In this video, I'll share 3 quick and easy fixes to help you get better battery life. Let's get started. Close power-hungry apps. Some apps keep running in the background and draining your battery even when you're not using them. Go to Battery Settings, check which apps are using the most power, and either restrict them or uninstall the ones you don't need. Enable Adaptive Battery. This feature automatically optimizes battery usage based on how you use your phone. Turn it on, and your phone will limit power-hungry apps in the background, helping your battery last longer. Lower the refresh rate. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes everything super smooth, but it also consumes more battery. If you don't need it all the time, switch to Adaptive or 60 Hz mode to save power without losing too much smoothness. That's it. These 3 simple tweaks can make a huge difference in your battery life. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer. See you in the next one.